Hello friends, it is the afternoon, but we still haven't done too much except
cut my hair.
It looks pretty good considering it's at home, but we just remembered that Starbucks is still a thing and I'm very excited, so I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go take Mila to Starbucks and we're gonna get a puppuccino for her, and then
What's a puppuccino?
it's just whipped cream.
Oh.
And we're just gonna go from there. So come along for the ride. Okay, we are ready to go.
Yes, sir.
Mila's being a little bit lazy, but she'll get excited. Doing the puppuccino? Puppuccino? I think she's more interested in cuddles, but that's okay. Yeah, you're excited. We're just waiting because we ordered 5 drinks and I told you so sorry. This hat looks so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Is
you got
that
a
yummy?
napkin in here.
I might have some in the glove box.
Oh, sorry, you can't even get it. Stick your noggin in there.
Okay, you're suffocating her. Look at it. Oh my god. No. Hold on.
Oh, shit. Can you swear on YouTube?
I think so.
Get it.
Oh.
Your schnauzer's too short to get it.
Okay, she doesn't have to have all of it. It's okay. Yeah, just let her have that and then it's Mila's happy. Brandon's happy. Tray is secured. Let's get out of here. We ordered a lot of drinks. We got Brandon a coffee. We gave him some of the whipped cream. We got we got Mila the puppuccino. I got an iced caramel macchiato, cloud caramel macchiato, and then my mom got a dragon fruit refresher lemonade, and then my brother got just a hot chocolate. So first Starbucks in weeks.
It's pretty garbage.
What?
It doesn't taste that great.
Why?
It's really watery.
What?
Starbucks is overrated.
You're just doing this for the cameras.
I'm serious.
I'm mad. What is it, God?
I told you.
Mm.
Thanks for giving me crap coffee.
Starbucks. Yeah, their free coffee was shit.
It's probably like old coffee that they don't use.
No, I don't think so.
I'm a frontline healthcare worker. Thanks for treating me like shit.
Don't do that. But it's not good. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe they're just rushing these days. But yeah, it wasn't good. So now we're walking Mila, and it looks like things are gonna get pretty grim soon. So we're taking advantage of a little bit of sunlight, even though it's pretty cold. So, family events. It's dead today though, just because it looks so sketchy out. That's nice. We don't have to worry about other people. Hello, friends. So, we kind of messed up. We're building a home gym, and we thought we could get a better price, and we couldn't. Then we messaged the guy, and he sold it. So now we have to look for weights.
How do you say, like, 4? Like, a pair is 2, 3 is few.
So anyway, now we need to go find weights, and nowhere has weights. Apparently China has stopped making weights I don't know why, but everywhere's sold out.
So Diana, what just happened?
Basically, we were looking everywhere for weights, and most people right now are trying to get as most money possible, so people are selling weights for about $4 a pound, which is absolutely ridiculous. Like, the normal price is like $1.50 to $2, and we finally found some guy posting these really good like iron 45s, like a pair of them for $1.80, so $2 a pound. And apparently he got an insane amount of messages about it, but we said we'll take them right now. We can drive to your house right now, give you the money, and pick them up. So we did. So we got the first components of our home gym, and now we're kind of we're about to order our rack, our barbell, and some clips, and we're about to get everything started. Now we're trying to see if we can find more decently priced weights because everyone's crazy. Do you have any comments?
People are crazy.
Okay, so update on our night's end, pretty much. We found another pair of 45s for $90, and then we found a third pair for $2.8 a pound, which still ended up
Not
being
bad.
Yeah, it's okay. So we're gonna pick all of those up. So plot twist, we actually ended up deciding not to go with those weights. We just kind of figured that to start off we didn't actually need that much weight, and we can add them on pretty much whenever, once things go back to normal. But I figured I'd keep that in the video just for reference of the kind of deals we were literally hunting for. Everything's super expensive right now, but back to the video. And then we're probably going to look for a couple 25s and 10s, and then we pretty much have a home gym.
Yeah. Pretty much. We just ordered
What did we order?
We ordered the rack and the barbell and some clips.
Yeah. So
It's a work in progress.
Yeah. Those will get here in a couple weeks, so hopefully by then we have our full setup and we can get back to working out.
Shout out to the Rocket Man.
So now we're just kind of watching a documentary and ending the night. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos of us, let me know what you want to see. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post next. And we'll see you guys later.
Peace.
Bye.